created by Dev0CY. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Dev0CY. And the last tutorial I did on Audacity went really bad because I couldn't sync the two audios together, so it went really bad. So I'm gonna try to do a recreation. So you guys need Audacity if it's a free program. So put your gigahertz to 4,800. That's my mic, but if you don't know what is your mic, then put it to 4,100. Select the mic you want. I like my thing on MME and stereo and whatever. Okay. After you guys got that done, hit this button. You guys want a moment of silence to 3 seconds. Hey guys, so after you guys got the moment of silence of 3 seconds, after you guys got that, then you guys just have to press this to stop the recording. And make sure you guys put a moment of silence here as well. I forgot to, but it's okay. Next, click on the halfway point here. So click. Hey guys, if you guys accidentally started, then click on this yellow button, so it'll remove that. So line that up and highlight it. Then after you guys highlight that, click on Effects, Noise Reduction, and hit Get Noise Profile. Then double click Effects, Noise Reduction, and I also learned something new. You guys don't have to keep it at 14, 15, 24. You guys can keep it at 50 or 100. So I'm keeping it at 100 or 48. Sensitivity, I put the sensitivity on 7.5 and that, and hit reduce. Hit OK. And it should apply it. Now you guys see these very small lines, like very small lines. After that is done, go to Effects and go to go to Effects and go to Equalization. What this will do is equalize it, and what you guys have to put it on is bass boost. So yeah, then after you guys get that bass boost, again, I like to put on 6, but the preferred is between. Then go to the 4,000 gigahertz line. Click on it, you will make a dot. Then go to the other line and drag it up. So you guys want it to be completely symmetrical and equal. That's a little bit down. This is so, okay, there we go, perfect. Now after you guys got that, don't worry about anything about this. Hit OK, and there you guys go. It has equalized it, and if I play, hey guys, so that is it. Once you equalize it, all you guys gotta do is go to this halfway point right there. Highlight it, go to Edit, and you guys can hit Delete or Control X or Control K. But I like pressing delete from here and play it. Hey guys, So that little pause helps, okay? Keep half of a second in there. Now you guys don't. Now let me play this. I don't like that. So I highlight it and delete it. I press backspace, so let me just do this. Seconds. After you guys got that, see the I don't like that. So you highlight it and you delete it. So highlight and edit and delete. But let me tell you guys something. If you have this green bar, I just have to press this. If you have this green arrow here, then you have to press this yellow thing again. Highlight and go back. So let me test this. Silence of. I don't want that either. So highlight it. Backspace again. Edit and delete. And let me play this. Okay. Highlight it, delete it. Like, I'm deleting everything, but then you guys, no, then I don't like that, no. So I highlight it and delete it. Then you guys just have to press this. That is done. And then once you guys got that, what you guys do is highlight the whole thing. And see these big audio tracks? You don't want that. Go to effects and go to normalization. And I like putting mine on -7. But you guys can pretty much do any settings. So. Hey guys, so after you guys got the moment of silence of 3 seconds, after you guys got that, see then you guys just have to press this to stop the recording. So after you guys got that, and that you still think that's too loud, go to effects, normalization, and you guys can put it on freaking -10. So play. Hey guys, so after you guys that's perfect right there. So then hit file. Oh yeah, you gotta hit this. Then hit file, export audio. Save it as a WAV file, not an MP3 because it will ask you for a lane. So WAV 16-bit PCM. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to name it Test 06. Save. Put your name here, so dev. Okay. Then you guys can, you guys are done, and let me play this. So you guys can see. So after you guys got the moment of silence of 3 seconds, after you guys got that, see then you guys just have to press this to stop the recording. So that's all for today, folks. My name is Dev0CY. Peace.